Back in 2005, Linus Torvalds, yes, the same guy who created Linux, needed a version control system after a licensing dispute with the tool he was using. So he sat down and wrote his own. It took him 5 days. That tool became Git, and today it's the standard every developer uses. Quick clarification before we go further. Git is not GitHub. GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, these are all companies that host Git repositories. They use Git. They are not Git itself. So what does Git actually do? It tracks every change you make to your code, by author, by time, with full history you can search, revert, or rewind whenever you need to. The core building block is a commit. A commit is just a snapshot of changes tied to a specific point in time. You can create as many as you want, branch off into new directions, and merge those branches back together whenever you're ready. You can squash commits, edit messages, even undo changes entirely if something goes wrong. Git looks complicated from the outside, but the core concept is simple. Track changes, branch, merge, repeat.